Good morning. I would like to thank Professor Marçal because for me it's a great pleasure to be here. The World Fund was created in 2002. It was the first North American entity that offers a free hand to Latin American countries to help them to improve their education system. The main idea is that the education is that solution is the way to provide the social inclusion. So the World Fund doesn't give donations. The work is based on helping countries to face their commitments, offering technical support, helping teachers to be qualified. In Brazil, the World Fund acts since 2009, and the program involves math and science teachers who receive the qualification. In the background, there is a problem with an historical and capable state that didn't show welcome results and didn't give out signs of efficiency. A long list of duties and a pressure to respond to demands forced the state and the society to rebuild, to reconstruct, to create new models of partnerships and new models of acting. The Brazilian problem is not only a problem caused by the huge population and the greater need of money to educate people, but also during too much time the normative discipline demanded strictness in the process, not on objectives. Efficiency is the challenge. So nowadays in Brazil, people who study administrative law dedicates their time to develop new systems, new arrangements, to allow the state to perform in the name of public interest. The state needs partners to contribute in different ways, also with money. That's why my city contracts public-private partnership to build new schools and to develop the education. As Professor Marçal said, the question is to get know-how from the private players.